Okay, so our last one here is to free block B. Free B. And what we need to note is if the block above it is free, we're going to have to glue the two down as free. So this little mini lecture right here is just about how do you determine if the guy above you is free or not. Well, remember we had that flag? We had that above free flag. So at any time, we can look at our header and we can check out the flag that says above free. It says, okay, the guy above me is free. The next question is, how do I find A, the start of the free block? Well, here's where the problem is. We can go through a linked list and try to find out who's neighboring me. And that would be very costly, time-wise, to search for that. But we don't know. This free block could be 2K, 4K, 12 bytes, 600K. We don't know how big the free block is. So we don't know how many bytes to go back from B all the way up to A. Well, the good news is this free block, who owns the free block? No one owns the free block. It's part of the system right now. Users are not allowed to write. They're only allowed to write in the use block sections down here. But they're never allowed to write in the used header. Well, the free block here, nobody even knows it exists. It's part of our system. So why not use not only the header, but also this dead space in the middle here that we can put some noise in. So I'm going to expand a little bit here. And what we're going to do is, I'm just expand the block. What we can do is write. If we go to B and go up 4 bytes, we can put a secret pointer in there. The secret pointer will point magically to the starting address of A. So it just magically points to that location A. So therefore, all we do is go to the use block. Is above flag true? Yes. Go to secret pointer. Go up 4 bytes, just 4 bytes. Read right here. And then go up and we find the location A. And from there, we can just coalesce it as we did before. Now, kind of see this all together. Got this slide here. This is kind of a realistic slide. Has a little bit of everything here. It has used and free status. It has the size, type, above free. You can see here, here's a use block. Above it is a free. The secret pointer is here, which points to the beginning of the header. Anytime you have a free block, the bottom of the free block, you put the secret pointer in there, and you point to the top of this. This concept is a little bit confusing. I'm going to include this in the lecture notes. But it's really just we're squirreling away a little bit of data crumbs that we can use later. And that's the whole concept of this secret pointer, is to put something there, and then when we need it, we can just zoom right up to the top of it. Go to used, go up 4 bytes, read the 4 bytes, that's a pointer, zoom right to the top of it. So it's basically to tell you adjacency information. It's to tell you whether on this use is the guy above me is used, or is it above me is free. Here it's false, so there's no free block above me. The guy below me, I can go from here down to the header, and then put block size, cast it, and read and see if its type is type free or not. So this diagram kind of summarizes everything in a nutshell. I would study this diagram a lot and ask questions about it. Thanks.